Welcome back to my channel, Daily Babes. I am here with another video. This is just going to be an information video just because we are all going through a hard time right now. The world is in destruction, and please excuse me if you all hear like the grass cutting. It's a lawnmower. It's my next door neighbor. So we are going to talk about the jobs that are available from work from home and also jobs that you can actually go to. Now, I'm not sure how many of you that are like really comfortable with going to a job, leaving your home, risking your lives, but I'm sorry, y'all, I just got a call from my doctor because I'm supposed to be getting some things happening or whatever. But like I said, there are some things that are affecting people out here in the world. There are about billions of people that lost their jobs, that don't have a job, that are relying on a daily base or a weekly base, not really a weekly base, weekly and bi-weekly base paycheck. And you know, we're at that point where it's just like, all right, well, how are we supposed to survive if we're not getting paid, we don't have a job? Yeah, the government just sent out stimulus checks, but for a lot of people, they have multiple people in their houses, and you know, some of those people that do have like 5 kids, if not more, they're only giving out money for those 3 kids. So it kind of doesn't help out, and it's just more so like that type of bill is only to like cover your rent. Like that's what that type of bill is, because otherwise you would have your car note paid. If you have a car note, you would have your lights paid, you would have whatever else that you have already handled. But here are some jobs, and I'm going to start from work from home first, and here are some jobs that you can potentially sign up for, you can get, as long as of course you have the requirements to do it. So of course, like with work from home jobs, you have to have a monitor, or you have to have a laptop, a working laptop. Like I said, well, for myself, like working from home, you have to have 4,000 gigabytes of RAM, which is of course memory, and then you have to have high-speed internet. So if you don't have those things, I would advise you to go get them. If you do have the money to get it, it'll definitely help you out. That'll be like something that you can do every single day, not even just after this point, but that's like a career, like that's a job. Well, one of them are my companies, one of them is Arise.com. With Arise, you guys, Arise, I don't know, I tried Arise like what was that, last year or 2 years ago when my daughter was born. I tried Arise, but it was like with Arise, you also have to like pay for the class. You have to pay to be trained, and then like once you get onto live calls, then yes, you start getting paid. But it's like, why do I have to pay for a job that I obviously want to work for? But it, like, that's just the type of job it is. And if you all see me looking down, it's because I have it all written down here in my notebook. The one is Aerotech. So Aerotech is a company, it is a temp agency company. So you can go into temp agency companies and find work from home jobs. You can find temp jobs that will turn into a direct hire on, like, I'm on board job. So just keep that in mind. You can also go in there, you can find really good stuff on there, especially within your area, of course. Sitel is also another work from home company, which is basically like insurance. Sorry, I'm saying because I'm so trying to explain it, but I'm not the best explainer, but I get my point across. As I tell you, with depending on what they pair you up with, because you could do customer service sales, or you can do customer service healthcare, you could do customer service like I don't know anything business wise, and you'll just basically take that information for those type of cues. T-Tech, which is the company that I work for. I deal with United Healthcare, and so with that, of course, it's customer service. I'm able to work from home. They also have it when you pull up on the website, they will have like a work from home thing you can click on so that you're able to work from home, and or you can go into the office. You can do either or. I know there's one right here in Concord, which is like 15 minutes away from Charlotte, so I'm able to either go into the office or I'm able to go home and work from home. And like right now it comes in handy because it's like, all right, I'm still getting a paycheck at the end of the day. So there is Poshkmark. Everybody knows about Poshkmark. All you do is sell your clothes on there, or you could buy clothes on there, but you basically sell your clothes for your money, and people actually buy these type of things. So it's not a type of thing that where it'll not come to handy, because even some people, even just myself, I've sold on Poshmark and I've been able to make hundreds of dollars. So it's a great thing. You got eBay, Amazon, and direct interactions. All of those, of course, Amazon, you can go on Amazon, you can sell your products on there too. If you have any, eBay, same thing. You can do refurbish, or you can do like a refurbished computer that you can do, especially with something that you own. Same thing as the rest of them. Now, I'm gonna go to the jobs that are hiring, but you do have to leave your home. So jobs like Papa John's, Dominos, Pizzahut, CVS, ABM, 7-Eleven, Dollar Tree, Kroger. Of course, hospitals are extremely hiring just because they need the help. They need, caregivers. Walmart, foodlion, Amazon distribution, the warehouse shops, Safeway of stalkers, anything in that nature, you can go and get a job. You guys, just collect a paycheck while you can, especially because they might even hire you on full time. And if they don't hire you on full time, it's okay. Maybe you'll be able to go back to your job. But there are still jobs out there that we still have to have physical contact with, such as like Chick-fil-A. There's still tons of people that still go to Chick-fil-A. Taco Bell, it's still open. So they're not having people come in, they're doing driveway, which in some sort of way I don't feel like that's like just like it doesn't help the situation, but at the same time, hey, if you're gonna eat out, you're gonna eat out. The point of today's time and where we're at, I feel like we need to be saving money and not spending more money than what we need to, because we just don't know what's happening right now. For, of course, males or females, you can do Skyline, which is a CD. You have to have a CDL, of course, an A-class CDL, which is driving the big, huge trucks. They make really good money as well. But that's pretty much what I wanted to go over today, just because it is a hard time, and I think we all are like fiending to get out the house. We're struggling right now, and I think with the community, actually, I wouldn't say we all have like a great community, but I can definitely say that being in the house makes you realize yourself even more than what you did. Like not being out, being out the house, like, oh yeah, you can go out any day, anytime, anywhere, but when do you actually get a time to sit down and think about who you are? That's where some people actually get that persona of not being able to figure out who they are or not knowing who they are. So that I would definitely say take advantage of this time, but also take advantage of these job offers as well. And I also will be posting all of these in my description down below, so you all can go back to them and you will see them, and you may be even be able to get a job with them, because most of them, especially Amazon, is hiring. They're hiring pretty high, like 15 an hour, depending on like the type of job that you want. I'm not sure if they have any work from home positions open right now, but you can definitely look, especially within your area. So I would definitely take advantage of all of this. I know that it is sort of a bit of a difficult time, so just take advantage of it, stay calm, stay home, and be around your family. And if you don't have family that live with you, occupy yourself. Read a book. Read a book, do some crafts, some arts and crafts, just stay home until all of this clears up, because it is really crazy out here. But you guys, this is the end of my video. Go ahead and like that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, sorry. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.